Hey guys, guess what? I changed my name to Bendy.
I mean Bendy.
Ah, yes.
Bendy has what today?
Eggs, chocolate eggs.
Yowie eggs.
Yowie. Okay, I'm
Oh, you know what we didn't get? A bowl. Pause.
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up.
All right.
Okay, let's get on to the first one.
Let's get going.
Go to the green one.
What's his name?
I don't know.
It has a name on the front.
V-E-T.
No. Let me see. Point it at me. His name is Crag.
Crag. Okay, we're opening Crag.
Remember, you probably broke it. Oh, she's always got to shove some chocolate in her mouth. Yum, yum, yum. Throw it in the bowl. Don't let Atticus get that chocolate. All right, let's see what guy you got. What animal?
Okay, let's see. Another one!
Oh, we have one of those. The little spider.
Well,
Maybe you
I
can
don't
give it...
know where he is.
Oh, okay. And say maybe we can give it to one of your friends. What is it? Let me see the name.
It's a tarantula.
I know, but what kind of tarantula? Let's scoot this back so Mr. Atticus doesn't get any chocolate. Peacock tarantula.
Peacock tarantula.
Cool.
Let's put this to the side.
Okay.
And put this guy
In the chocolate.
Eating. Yum.
He's gonna eat some chocolate. I don't know if spiders like chocolate.
Huh?
Do spiders eat chocolate? Yes. Okay. All right. We got a rumble. We got 3 rumbles.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Is it a new one?
No.
Another duplicate.
No.
Oh, we have that guy.
But I
The
don't know where
lizard.
that guy is either.
He's a chin high.
I don't know where he is. Either. On to the next one.
Whoa.
Yo! No! I said yes. Okay, let's start
Next.
opening him.
Rumble number 2.
Number 2.
We'll drop the chocolate.
I wonder who's inside here.
All right, come on, something new.
It is!
It's something new. Ooh, what is he? A
He's a
pygmy blue-tongued lizard.
He's cool.
Can you see his tongue? No, no tongue. Put him with his friends over there.
He's cool.
Yeah. Next. Another rumble.
And then squash.
Then a squish. And then a boof.
And then boof. Oh, one more chocolate.
And get it all. Don't waste that chocolate.
I got it. You ready? Okay, guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Use those muscles.
We got a new one. Look it. It's a
Ooh,
hyena.
Oh, super cool.
But what kind? What kind of hyena? Ooh,
Spotted hyena.
that's cool.
Put him with his pals over there.
Okay, let's go to this guy.
Who's that? Boof?
Yeah.
Save and squish for last?
Yeah. Because it's like she's my 2 favorite colors.
Yeah. Licking the table. What is
Poopy head.
Look at all that chocolate.
Delicious. and I'm pretty sure this is a new one. Wait, duplicate!
What? Oh, another blue tongue lizard. What, Atticus? What are you doing? Get down from there. Oh, you can give one to your friend.
Yeah. So let's scooch him to the side. He's gonna be eating chocolate. Wait, does this one look different to you?
Nope, that's the same.
Okay, well, I'll put him over here.
All right.
Yeah.
Last one, Squish.
Okay.
Squish is the last.
Squish.
Let's go, new one.
We need a new one. I hope I found another hyena. Alright. Okay guys, let's go. Oh yeah!
Ooh.
We got this leopard.
Let me see the info card. I think you're right that it's a leopard, but let's look. An Amur leopard. I think that's how you say that. Superpowered. Jumping and climbing.
Well,
all right.
Let's get this guy and give it to him. Alright. That was all my Yowie eggs. Hope you have a nice day. Bye guys. By the way, my name's Benny. Peace.